Oh, we're almost stuck there. Hey you guys, I hope you all are doing well. It's an amazing day here, fall in Canada. I think we'll climb a couple gnarly hills today. As you can see, we got a whole mountain to climb. Stick around, it should be fun. All right, let's get on it here. Yeehaw. Sometimes I try to ride my 690 like it's my enduro bike or my 500, but it doesn't quite work that way, but it does go good. One of my favorite places to ride. I grew up riding here as just a little young guy. Whoa! So this hill climb here, I'll have to try and do this one day for you guys. I don't know if you can see, it goes, it's actually a natural gas line, I guess, you know, many years ago they probably dug it in or whatever. But my CR500 scoots up that like nothing, and maybe I'll put a picture of Google Earth on what it looks like, but it's, I don't know, it's probably a mile long maybe, or, you know, a kilometer long, or maybe half a mile, I'm not even sure, but it's mega long. It goes right up and over the mountain, and I can zip up that on my 500 like nothing to it. Look at that, it's not a bad day, hey? Oh, we're almost stuck there. That was loose rock. Not bad spot to have a quick, not a bad spot to have a quick energy drink.
Got it open now. Yeah, it's been a minute, getting on all the vows. Get another gimmick, yeah, you said hold on, but I didn't feel it, yeah, you said hold on, but I didn't feel it. Give me a couldn't just play your part. Couldn't just play your part. Give me a closer hug. Ended up in the dark. Couldn't just play your part. Couldn't just play your part. 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 Play your part.
So I'm gonna go blast up a couple of these gnarly hills, you guys. This is literally up the side of a mountain. There is actually an existing trail. Years ago I made that on my dirt bikes, so I'm a little familiar with it, but like I said in a couple videos ago, I'm going to do an enduro ride or adventure riding lessons type of series, so I'll walk you through things that I do on this goofy bike here. But yeah, don't attempt this kind of stuff. I'm just having fun and I'm quite capable, but unless you really know what you're doing or you've watched my lessons, then don't go for stuff you don't know what you're doing on. Okay, as they say, pin it to win it. Pick your line carefully, and if there's no line at all, just watch for rocks. This is gnarly steep. Like I said on my videos before, you guys, I know this stuff doesn't look steep, but believe me, you wouldn't want to be walking up that, because it is flippin' steep. But the 690 does are no problem. I'm sure the Motos helps. I'm going to do a bit of a dual sport review of that tire too after I've had more time with it. But so far it's pretty unbelievable. Okay, I want to take a bit of a different route here, so I'm actually going to go down what I just came up. So that's one of the things that messes with people's heads. They don't like to go down for some reason. I'll go over all this stuff too. Like I said, you guys, I'm actually up here. I'm going to film the first episode for my, well, you may have already seen it. I'm not sure when I'm going to post these videos. Sometimes I film 2 videos in one day. Just because I'm in Canada and I know I'm running out of filming time. It's going to be snowy and yucky soon, so I'll be thankful that I have all these cool videos to play with. Something to show you guys as well. A little bit of a gnarly cliff climb here. Like I said, you guys, don't do this stuff unless you know what you're absolutely doing. I like to push the limits on all of my motorcycles. I mean, push my limits, or at least what I feel comfortable with, you guys. I like to know what my bikes will do. It makes all the other stuff pretty, pretty tame compared to that. I think what we're gonna do is just mosey right up the side of this mountain, actually. I think gnarly hill climbs. So this might not look steep to you guys on the camera. Well, maybe it does if I look from the sides, but some of these ledges, you got to kind of pick your route when you're going up the side of a mountain on a dual sport. I'm pretty familiar with this territory, so kind of know where I'm going. Oh, there's a big deer right there in the bush. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is a little steep up in here. Gnarly steep. Oh, throw some rocks and cliffs into it as well. See that? I had to ride the clutch on that. That's where the trials, the learning to use the clutch and the throttle comes into play. And we are almost... Oh, sorry about that, camera whacker. Woo! Holy moly, well that'll get your blood pumping. Holding onto the handlebars like that. I think my wrists are about ready to fall off. There she be, up the side of a mountain, nothing to it. Well, that's going to do it for me, you guys. I appreciate you guys watching all my stuff. Definitely drop some comments below, let me know what you think. Hope you guys get out on the side of a mountain soon, where you can see all the trees have turned, their fall's almost, we're getting into winter here soon. So Definitely drop some comments below and hit the old subscribe button if you guys aren't subscribed, and hit the like button as well. And below the description there, you guys, that's where all my social media links are if you guys are curious what I get up to during the week and that. You know, I'm always doing motorcycle related things, so that's just a way to keep up with me and whatnot. So my Patreon account's there. I got a new video, so check that out. It kind of explains what I use Patreon for. It's just to help the YouTube channel grow. I want to take it to the next level. I'm up over 13,000 subscribers now, so it's well on its way. So I appreciate everybody that subscribes, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.